Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Custom Ford Maverick number 2 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Muscle Mania, and number 99 out of 250. So let's go ahead and open this up. By the way, this is from the C and I believe Diecast of 2023. And yeah, here it is, the Ford Maverick, custom Ford Maverick in this cyan color, light blue. So as you can see, there are some sponsors. Surprisingly, I'm seeing some sponsors on the side, surprisingly, and a whole quite a lot of stripes on the side and the hood as well, which is pretty cool. But yeah, let's take a closer look of the car itself. Here it is, the car itself in this bright color here, and as you can see, you have some 5-spoke wheels with gray rims, and as you can see right there, on the side you can see that there is a black stripe, a yellow and orange stripe, as well as some sponsors at the bottom here. You can see there is Hot Wheels, there is Holy, there is, what is that, Firestone I think, and that is on the right, I'm not sure what is that, BCM, is it? Hold on, B&M. So there's Holly, there is Firestone, there is B&M. Pretty nice. Moving on to the front, you have the headlights, and you have that blacked out grille, as you can see right there. By the way, the headlights are not colored, they are just plain, but there is a sign of the headlights because of its shape right there, the circle shape. You have this front bumper right here, which is quite ginormous, by the way, in black. And moving on to the hood, you have 2 stripes on the hood, as well as some yellow and orange stripes on the hood as well. Moving on to the back, you have no rear lights and no rear logo, a car logo as well, but you do have 2 simple black stripes at the back. Oh yeah, I forgot to show the base. Here is the base in black, custom Ford Maverick 2017 Mattel, made in Malaysia. But there you go, that is my review of the custom Ford Maverick. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below, whether you think this car is good or not, it is worth to buy, or maybe have it in your collection or not, and tell me whether this is a great American car or not. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. Share my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon, bye bye.